Hello friends! In this video, you'll see the complete process of drawing an anthurium flower. To start with, I carefully stretch a sturdy watercolor paper onto the easel with my golden hands. Using thin pencil lines, I sketch out the rough outlines, and once the composition takes shape as a harmonious drawing, I go over it with clearer lines. Anything I don't like, I simply erase with an eraser. Anthurium is my favorite flower, which I grow at home. Its contrasting colors have inspired me to create this beautiful study. In previous videos, I showed you detailed steps on how to draw the flower in pencil and then proceed to add color. The key is not to be afraid of watercolors spreading on the paper. It's an art meditation. We work with semi-transparent shades of paint in the initial layers, gradually adding brightness and shadows. In the final stage, I will refine the details using colored pencils and markers. Anthurium is a plant that mesmerizes with its beauty and unique appearance. Its extraordinary form and vibrant colors make it a wonderful addition to any interior and bouquet arrangements. Anthurium has been known for centuries and originated in the tropics. They say the ancient Mayans were the first to cultivate anthurium for their cultural ceremonies. Anthurium adorned imperial palaces in China and Japan. Even today, anthurium remains a symbol of purity, exquisite beauty, and elegance. With its exotic appearance, anthurium captures attention with its uniqueness and exotic charm. It symbolizes novelty and fascination. Each color of anthurium carries its own symbolism and meaning. Generally, anthuriums represent positive characteristics and are often associated with love, passion, and energy. Red anthurium symbolizes passion, energy, and love. It's commonly used in floral arrangements and compositions that express strong emotions and feelings. Pink anthurium is associated with tenderness, romance, and femininity. It's suitable for creating bouquets for weddings, anniversaries, and other special celebrations. White anthurium symbolizes innocence, purity, and a bright future. It's perfect for creating arrangements and compositions for newborns, as well as for funeral ceremonies and memorials. Green anthurium symbolizes life, growth, and harmony. It's used in creating compositions and bouquets that enhance the interior and create a sense of tranquility and balance. I have chosen a vibrant combination of pink and green colors that will smoothly transition into each other. Enjoy watching and feel inspired. Please feel free to ask any questions and subscribe to my channel. Sending you warm hugs. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.